Hi, LindaBauwin here from StampingWithLinda.com, your cardiologist since 1997, helping you create cards from the heart. Today is just a quick technique video, but I'm using a lot of the fun products that you can find in the early release Share What You Love bundle. I've got the beautiful Designer Series paper, the stamp set, and the embossing folder, the lovely floral. But the technique I'm going to show you is how to use your Framelits to get a different layering with that flower. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to bring in a scrap piece of paper. I'm going to bring in my flower. This is from the Share What You Love stamp set. Remember, there are 3 different bundles to this early release. And you can decide which bundle you want. If you head over to my blog, StampingWithLinda.com, if you're on YouTube and click on the link before, it'll take you to my blog, and you can find out how you can get a huge PDF tutorial free with a $30 order. So make sure you check that out. So I have stamped the flowers. Now I'm going to bring in my layering oval, and I want to make a pencil mark on both sides of these flowers, and this is where I'm going to cut. I'm going to cut out around that area. So I'm going to bring in my paper snips and just cut that flower. I don't want to cut the whole flower, and so this technique allows you to get more of a layering look with those ovals. And you can do this with the circles, squares, whatever you want. And I just want to cut above the pencil mark. Got that. And just cut out those flowers. Remember when we had to fussy cut everything? We've cut and kind of spoiled with all the framelits now. So I've got that part. Let's go ahead and cut this off so you'll be able to see this better. I'm going to bring in my Big Shot and my layering oval that I used for the pattern, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip that oval down under where I cut the flower. So just like that. I'm going to bring in my other cutting mat. And so what happens is you get that oval cut out, but then the flowers is kind of sticking out from there. So just like I said, a fun oval layering technique. Going to bring in my in color marker. This is from the Grapefruit Grove, the new in color, and I'm just going to color the flowers with that marker. Right now, as part of the early release, you can get all 5 of the in color ink pads as a bundle at 10% off. And get them early, and they're very bold colors that are going to be fun to work with. So I'm just adding that, and then I'm going to bring in this stamp. Is from the Eastern Beauty. Now here is our new ink pads. You're just going to flip them up like you do a compact, and they're just going to slide in like so. So I'm going to take that little thank you. Again, this is from the Eastern Beauty stamp set. I just wanted a small little word to go in that oval. So I've got the thank you. I've already taken and cut out a scalloped oval. We're just going to add some adhesive to that and put that on my oval. So see how it just gives it a different dimension. I'm going to bring in a 5.5 by 8.5 piece of cardstock in Whisper White. I've taken a piece of the black, it's 4 inches by 5 1/4, and have run it through that lovely floral embossing folder. Now this folder is pretty either way. I don't know how well you can see it. This is indented in or indented out. So either way, it's very pretty. Again, you can get that in that early release bundle. And now I'm going to bring in the Designer Series paper, and I am going to use the side that has the writing on it, and just put that along here. Going to add this with some dimensionals so that it would pop up. Well, I've got enough dimensionals there. Let's put them there. And I think I brought some pearls over. I did. So we're going to add that right here. Bring in my pearls, my paper piercer, and just add a few pearls just to give it some elegant look around those flowers. And there you have it, a fun technique using our framelits. Hope you've enjoyed today's video. Talk to you real soon. Bye-bye.